What are they referring to there, Tim? When they say constant of variation, what are they referring to in this equation?
How much the y goes up each time.
Yeah, but in this equation, which letter are they referring to?
M.
Good, M. This is our constant of variation. And what is it?
3.
Very good. So our equation then?
So it would be y equals 3x plus 6.
Excellent. So the initial value of y is 6. As x increases by 1, y increases by 3. So the constant of variation is 3. All right, graph this relation. We can see the relation graph down here. Nice. Nice, nice. See how they didn't skip the 5, 6 over down here? They still showed it, right? Even though there's no data point, they didn't skip it. Because on the independent, you always want to be consistent. And then finally describe the graph. So the graph is a straight line that intersects the y-axis at the point 0, 6. The y value increases by 3 as the x value increases by 1. Any questions? All right, last example here. Mark, David.
The school is planning an awards banquet. The cost of renting a banquet facility and hiring serving staff is $675. There's an additional cost of $12 per person for the meal. A. Identify the fixed cost and the variable cost of this partial variation.
All right, so let's do that, Mark. What's the fixed cost?
The fixed cost is $675.
Good, so that is what in terms of letters?
That is the B.
B, good. Okay, and what is the variable cost?
12.
Good. So what's your equation?
It will be y equals 12x plus 670.
Excellent. Write an equation to represent this relation. Done. Use your equation to determine the total cost if 500 people attend the banquet. Robert, what do we do?
So then you punch in your number, you take away the x, and you replace it with 500.
Excellent.
So then you do y equals 12 times 500.
Okay, we go down here. We can see they substitute 500 for n, which is our number of people. I would have preferred x. We're trying to stay consistent. So we figure out our total cost is equal to 6,675. Always important when you have a word problem that you end in a sentence. You'll lose marks on tests if you don't do that. Okay? Key concepts. A partial variation has an equation of the form y equals mx plus b, where b represents the fixed or initial value of y, and m represents the constant of variation, also known as the slope, which we're going to find out shortly. The graph of a partial variation is a straight line that does not pass through the origin. Any questions? All right, that's it.